Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn German colors. We will start with some basic colors. But first, Die Farbe means color and die Farben means the plural of color. There will be a pause after every color, so repeat after me. Rot. Repeat after me. Rot. Blau. Once again. Blau. Grün. Means green. Gelb. Means yellow. Schwarz. Say it again. Schwarz. Weiß means white. Orange is orange. Lila means purple. Rosa means pink. Grau is gray. Brown is same just like English. Gold is also same just like English. And lastly, Silber means silver. Now, let's learn some different shades of the colors. Hellblau. Say it again. Hellblau. And Dunkelblau. Repeat with me. Dunkelblau. Next is Hellgrün. Again. Hellgrün. And Dunkelgrün. Repeat. Dunkelgrün. A quick tip. You will notice one change here. Hell means light or bright, and Dunkel means dark. You simply need to use correct adjectives to describe the colors. Let's proceed ahead with other examples. Marienblau. Himmelblau. Mintgrün. Olivegrün. Bordeauxrot. Kastanienbraun. Lavendel. Koralle. Pfirsichfarbe. Cremefarben. Elfenbeinfarben. Now, let's test what you have learned today. What is the color of the car? You are right. It is rot. What is the color of the sky? Correct. It's hellblau. Lastly, which colors do you notice in the forest? Comment down and let's see how many colors you have got right. Well done. In this way you can now describe colors in German. Comment below your favorite color or the colors in your country's flag. In the next lesson we will learn about geometrical shapes. Stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to LingoBuddy for more German language videos. Bis bald!